wide open spaces, incredible vistas, unmatched privacy. That's just part of the story here at Black Diamond Estate. It's the perfect location for upscale luxury living or a ranch-style getaway with room to entertain. And now, coming up for auction by J.P. King, this is an opportunity not to be missed. This area of Southern Illinois is close to everywhere you want to be, with major centers like Nashville and St. Louis nearby, but just far enough away to enjoy the quiet serenity and peaceful privacy of upscale country living. A perfect retreat for equestrian lovers or outdoorsmen alike. Let's go inside and take a look around. You have to see this gorgeous home to truly appreciate everything it offers, beginning with 5 spacious bedrooms, 7 full bathrooms, and 4 half bathrooms. The master suite, located on the main level, boasts an ensuite master bath with heated marble floors and tile, morning bar with beverage center, and in-closet laundry with ironing station. This kitchen is sure to delight any chef in the family, with an island featuring quartz waterfall countertop and Italian marble backsplash. Of course, the appliances are top-notch, including Sub-Zero and Wolf, plus electric trash cans, heated floors, and adjoining butler's pantry with brass inlay floors. The beautiful architectural balance flows throughout this home, with both modern and traditional design aspects to create an inviting and welcoming atmosphere. Rounding out the main level are the Command Center CEO room with wrapping station and mail center, plus a formal living room featuring a marble fireplace and spectacular views of the grounds. There's also a cozy study with built-in bookcases, keeping room, mud room, supply room, and so much more. Heading to the upper level, you'll find 2 oversized bedrooms, both with ensuite baths and walk-in closets. The second floor is also home to a kids' media room and a huge playroom that's perfect for keeping the young ones entertained. There's also a large multi-purpose room that would be ideal as a home gym, studio, or guest suite. On the lower level, there are 2 more large bedrooms, a spacious game room with entertaining bar, and of course no home would be complete without a state-of-the-art home theater with surround sound and projection system. The estate is ideal for entertaining, with expansive outdoor living and dining areas that are perfect for family gatherings or elegant soirees. A sparkling saltwater pool, complete with cabana and shower, outdoor kitchen, and ample lounge space provide a great place to relax and unwind while taking in the spectacular views. The 5-car garage provides a vast amount of space for storing all your vehicles and toys, and includes a separate workshop that's ideal for keeping things in perfect working order. Every amenity imaginable is available in this state-of-the-art smart home, including a whole home intercom system and fiber optic internet, making the lighting, security, and front gate all easily managed with a click on your mobile device. And the estate is pre-fitted with an elevator shaft, making accessibility a breeze. There's also a mudroom, separate dog kennel with climate control and automatic water stations, safe room, whole house generator, and far more than can be covered in this short video. With all we've seen here today, we've only just scratched the surface of everything Black Diamond Estate has to offer. Whether you're seeking a secluded sanctuary or looking for endless evenings of entertainment, don't miss this opportunity to own this one-of-a-kind estate. For more information about this auction or other auctions by J.P. King, please visit www.jpking.com. Thanks for watching.